If you want to go ahead and make copies of the files, then you can simply go ahead and select out these files right here. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and right click and then click on copy right here, just like this. So now you can go ahead and choose a folder where you want to go ahead and copy this. Let's say I'm going to go around over here onto, let's say for example, this particular folder, or I can go around onto this particular folder and I can simply say copy here. So once I do that, you can see that there seems to be an existing file with the same name right here. So you can go ahead and replace all right here, or you can go ahead and save as new file so that the files get renamed. So let's just go around and press OK right here. And now inside of the Apple folder, you will be able to see the copied files right here. Let me just go around over here onto sample right here, just like this. So let's say I want to go ahead and copy out all of these. Then what I can simply do is I can right click on a single file or a multiple file. I can even go ahead and check a certain like specific files if I want, and I can go ahead and right click. I can go ahead and copy and then go ahead and copy it out to a particular file right here, just like this as well. I can also go around over here and select out these, let's say for example content, and right click, and then I can go ahead and copy, and then I can go ahead inside of Apple right here, just like this, inside of sample. Let me just go ahead and create a new folder called sample right here, and I can go ahead and select it, and then I can go ahead and copy it in right here. Then it creates a new folder and copies those in, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and copy out files inside of Terabox. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.